How to recover deleted Telegram groups. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted Telegram groups. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Telegram. Make sure that you're logged in, and after you're there, simply choose a group. So let's say I'm in this group right here and I'm just gonna leave this. Tap on leave and leave. So okay, after leaving the group, what you'll then need to do is you'll simply need to search for that very group again. So let me go back here and search for it again. After searching for the group, you will actually find it, and after finding it, open it up. Let me just open that up. Okay, and you'll see the join button again. So tap on the join button to rejoin the group, and there we go, we're back again. And that's basically how you can recover deleted Telegram groups, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.